See me a send a man a pencil lyrical lunatic I represent for DJ Rinse. And now we have the most gal. One way. As me wait my bun my spliff, bill and relax, brush my teeth, then me flick on my socks. Then me call a gal, she cross toll for sit pon the cock. She reach, tell her flick off the frack. Me nah fi chat, me cross the gal ball and scream. When me report the locks, this a when me do a daytime and a DJ thing, I just pencil a list out the facts. All rings do a walk, gal, get gal, con gal, take gal, smoke weed, sex gal, call gal, text gal. And every day, Rinse get a next gal and him still love you, so nobody get vexed. Gal, him daddy was a gal, he sit in a him bloodline. Back in a the day, every gal was mine. Son, when you're young, and no love time, and number one rule, condom every time. If it was a contest, Rinse would be the winner. Play gal pon legendary, cause him no beginner and him no rhino, but him a sting a girl like Zina. Him want fi bring a cash flow fi that thing ya. At the bed she get the best tackle, hold him like receptacle. Him no movie screen, but gal a watch him like a spectacle. Him say him style is more than acceptable. Gal them want the thing because it bigger than a chef's buckle. She no wanna joke a fella, she no wanna broke a fella. She have a lot of cheddar S and them the gal I prefer lock her up the bad seller. Make the party a cappella, tell you about the shrimps. And next gal want the Dr. Pepper. She want the child, give her loving every time. On the ground or in the sky, we know what you like. That's something that's a right, that's something that's a type. Oh, you know where Rinse like. See me a send a man a pencil the lunatic I represent for the baddest. DJ Rinse. Okay, DJ Rinse. I wear some DJ thing. Every girl a feel it. No. DJ Rinse, what's up? Nuff man, say them a the baddest, them a chat tough. We just sit down and a laugh car. Them a wife up a bitch a regular, she give we cocks up. Step out enough girl a talk it. Say DJ Rinse sweet like chocolate. Rinse, just fuck and go through. So a regular the girl them say we a dog shit. Alright, we famous like the ghost in the Halloween. We have the most girl, more than the Pana team. More than the pages in the magazine. The mice show and Rinse roll. All your mother scream. We have the hottest and the youngest, make we get gal, we get gal. When a pet gal, you have to know how to set gal. We are the biggest gallis in the vicinity. So all we do is just fuck and forget gal. Go hard again, corner them, for cut left all them, father them. For sit down pan the cocky, I will curve like a corner bend. Can't out to shine them, me can't remember all of them. Regular, we take the number, fuck them and the call again. Tell them easy when Rinse lead out. Now the streets, I him enough gal a feel out. Enough man a chat when I act, them a act touch a party. All them grandmother scream out. Cause we have gal in a every age, every stage. Christian gal, where you ever she praise him. Have a one big woman up in a the Narbrook, where him not talk about cause she a 78. Enough gal when him go marvelly, them say him voice sweet, full enough harmony. Aye, all dumb gal a lost off, we a make signs, say she well want we touch her body. Rinse, tell them say we can't miss, we full of style, so them know man a crawfish. Hey, enough girls see me in the streets. I beg a quickie, say them want breed for the artist. I know nothing if you want me, but just know say your man, you me can't be. Maybe just come fuck out your hole when you're horny. And if you breed, please don't call. Every girl of mine, yeah, give me all of them. Give me all Susan and Tishana them. Aye, me done tell you say me a dog shit already, so no vex send me fuck you and no call again. My thing shot, my make too bingy. The done there, yeah, my meds too diddy. Me young and me nah settle down, my girl. Take a fuck and cut. Don't get too clingy. Hold on.